Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by validating the source PDF and physical paper. This saves reprints. Open your PDF editor or printer dialog and set paper size to match stock. Make sure duplex printing is supported by your printer. Choose the booklet layout now, 2 pages per side, 2 up for a simple staple fold, or 4 up for signature stacks. Once done, adjust margins and zero out scaling to avoid clipping. These first choices determine pagination math and final trim, so get them right before proceeding. Now you configure imposition and pagination. This is where page order is created. In the print dialog or imposition tool, pick booklet mode and set binding side, whether left or right. This flips pairing math. Specify page range and add blank pages if total pages modulo sheet count is non-zero. Make bleed and scaling decisions. 1/2-inch bleed preserves trim, or no bleed if exact fit. Preview every sheet carefully. If pagination looks off, stop and reconfigure pairing or page count before you complete by test printing and finishing the assembled sheets. Print one proof on plain paper and inspect sheet order, duplex alignment, and which side is front. This prevents wasting stock. Once satisfied, print the run, fold each sheet accurately, collate signatures, and staple or bind at the chosen edge. Trim the outer edges if you require flush margins. If pages are out of order or margins clip, recheck booklet settings and page count. Often a wrong binding side or missing blank page causes the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.